My name's blurry face and I care what you think. My name's blurry face and I.
Hello guys, welcome back. As you read the title, today we are going to discuss how you can make a PC in the budget of 35,000 in because the price was too high. So our first component is Intel Pentium G 4400 Skylake dual core 3.3 GHz processor, which almost cost 5,000. The link is in description. You can buy it from now. The second component we have, that is Gigabyte GA H110M S2 socket motherboard. It costs 4,489. It is the best motherboard in this budget, so it will be best for you. Now the RAM we will choose it HyperX 4GB 2133 MHz. This RAM is also best because it can run all the AAA titles which you want. The next is our SMPS, which is our power supply, which is circle APFS 500 watts power supply. This is best for gaming cabinet because you will not need 500 volts, but if you in future you change it, it will be best. So next is our cabinet, which is circle gaming cabinet CC821. It costs 3,190 rupees. Then next we are talking about will be our gaming keyboard and mouse. In the PC build, gaming keyboard and mouse is the most important. So we have chosen Dragonwar strong gaming keyboard and mouse, which almost costs 1,200. The next component we are talking about is our graphic card. I have chosen MSI Geforce 710 2GB DDR3 graphic card, which cost 3,177. This graphic card can run all your AAA titles in low settings. The next is a hard disk, which I have chosen Western Yellow Desktop because it's best for its budget and it's 1 TB. So you can store almost everything in it. The next is our LED monitor, which is Micromax 18.5-inch LED monitor with VGA plus HDMI. This LED comes with VGA plus HDMI in black color. So this is best LED. The link is in description. It cost almost 5,000 rupees. The next is our headset. So I have chosen Quantum QLL stereo headphone with mic. It's best headset for gaming in this price. As it looks says, it's almost very good value in sound and look wise also. The next is our controller. I have choose Redgear Pro Series wireless gamepad. With rechargeable batteries. You can recharge it and it's wireless, so you can play any game with it. So this is all our components, and this almost cost 34,375 on Amazon. All links are description. You can buy it. So subscribe our channel. So next video we can show how to build it. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoyed it video.